Ladies and gentlemen, for generations, we were taught one simple formula for success: study hard, get a good job, work for 30 or 40 years, and hopefully retire someday. But today, the world has changed. Relying on one paycheck in a world full of uncertainty is one of the biggest financial risks a person can take. Jobs change, industries evolve, unexpected events happen. When your entire financial life depends on one source of income, your freedom is fragile. But there is a different path, a stronger path, a smarter path. That path is building multiple income streams. Think about it this way. Imagine your life as a table. If that table has only one leg, it cannot stand. One push, and it collapses. But if the table has 4, 5, or even 7 legs, it becomes stable. Even if one leg breaks, the table still stands. Your income should work the same way. When you build multiple streams of income, you create financial stability, opportunity, and freedom. The wealthy rarely rely on just one paycheck. They build systems that allow money to flow from different directions. Some earn from their career or business. Some invest in stocks, real estate, or assets. Others build side businesses, digital products, or online content. The goal is not to work endlessly. The goal is to create income that continues even when you are not actively working. But here is an important truth. You do not need to build 7 income streams overnight. Start with one extra stream. Maybe you use your skills to freelance. Maybe you teach what you know online. Maybe you invest small amounts regularly. Maybe you build a small side business during your free time. At first, the income may seem small, but small streams can grow into powerful rivers. The key is consistency. Most people quit too early because they expect immediate results. But building wealth is not about quick wins. It is about patient construction. One stream today, another next year, another in 5 years. Over time, those streams begin to work together. Your job pays the bills, your investments grow quietly, your side projects create new opportunities, and slowly something incredible happens. Your money begins to work for you instead of you always working for money. That is the moment when financial life begins to change. Imagine waking up knowing that income is coming from different places. Imagine having choices about how you spend your time. Imagine building wealth that supports not only you, but your family and future generations. This is the power of multiple income streams. It's not about greed, it's about security, independence, and opportunity. The journey starts with a simple decision: to stop depending on only one source and start building a financial life that is stronger, smarter, and more resilient. So start today. Learn new skills, create value, invest wisely, be patient, because every great river begins with small streams, and every financially free life begins with the decision to build more than one path for money to flow. Your future self will thank you.